Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now, today I've got for you guys a cool game that you can actually play and you get rewards from it. In particular, they have Amazon gift cards, PayPal, and iTunes gift cards. So if you want one of those, then you can earn it from this app. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so the app I want to share with you guys today is called Bubbles Reward. And you can see that right there on my home screen. So now let's open that up. And then you'll be brought to this page. And on this page, you can see there are different days. I think you unlock them by progressing through the game. And you can see right there, it says for each day, you have like an estimated income. So this one, estimated income up to $10. And I'm on day 1 right now, but as you progress, you can keep on going through these different days. So you can see how much the estimated income is for each day. And I think it goes up to day 5. I don't know if there's any more than that, but that's how this works. And you can see up here, there's these little coins. And with these coins, you can unlock different gift cards. So for example, with 4,000 coins, I'll be able to unlock 1 cent on Amazon, like a 1 cent Amazon gift card. And no, 10 cents. Sorry, that's 10 cents, not 1 cent, because I already got my 1 cent. You can see right there. But yeah, so basically they just give you a code that you can then enter into your Amazon wallet and you can redeem it. So if you keep on going down here though, you can see the different types or amounts of reward that they have. So they have 20 cents. That's confusing. $1, $3, $5, all the way down to $100 on Amazon. And it just gets progressively higher, the amount of coins that you need to get in order to unlock the next reward level. I believe they also have PayPal and iTunes, but I'm not too sure exactly how to access them. What I'm assuming is that after you unlock all of the Amazon rewards, then you can go on to the next type of reward. So for example, maybe the next one that you would unlock would be PayPal. But when you start out, you're going to be getting Amazon. If you guys figure out how to get to these other ones, let me know. I don't know yet. And if I find out, I'll also let you guys know. Okay, so that's it for the rewards. And like I said, you need to get these coins in order to unlock the next reward. So you can go down here. One thing here are these little chests, and it says here, click to unlock. And they give you between 900 and 5,400 coins for this blue one in particular. And what you do is you just watch a short ad. And after the ad is finished playing, then you will get an amount of coins randomly between that range that they gave. So we'll find out how much I get after this ad is finished. And when it is finished, I will bring you guys back into this video. Alright, so now the ad's finished, and if we go here, we can exit out. And you can see there's a little timer there. You have to wait for 12 hours before you can open the chest again. And did we get some coins? I'm not sure. Maybe it didn't add, because I think I had 600, but I don't remember exactly. We might have. I'll look at this video and see if we did later. But anyway, so that's another way you can get coins, by opening these chests. And then what's this? Oh, this is back to the rewards. Okay, so now the main way you can make money using this app is to play this game right here. And what you do is, like, there's different games along the way, and then as you finish one, you unlock the next game. So right now I'm on this game. I already finished that one. And it's just going to keep on going down this line until you get to the end. And after you get to the end, then you move on to the next day. There's also something here called a daily spin, but you need 20 stars to do it. So like if you try to press spin, it says here you need 20 for the daily bonus. And the way you get more stars is to play games. And in the daily bonus, let's go back to that. You can see that you can get either coins or you can get gift cards, and you might be lucky and get a $10 Amazon gift card in one spin. So that's that for the daily bonus. But like I said, first you need to unlock more stars. And the way you do that is to play this game. So this is just a regular old slots game. And I just press go. And hopefully we get a match. Looks like we did. And when you do get a match, you get an ad. And then you just have to wait. There's like a little spinny circle up here. And when it's done, you just tap on the X. And you can close out. And then you get your coins. So now we can spin again. Because you have to do it. You have to win 3 times, I think, in order to finish this game. Looks like we didn't win, but we still get 50 coins. So that's nice. And then, of course, you're going to get another ad they have to watch. And when it's done, we can exit out and move on to the next game. All right, so now we can close out right here. And there you go. So now we finished that game. We got our 3 stars. And now we have 6 out of 20 stars. And now we also moved on to the next game. So let's check out this game. Looks like a cat. What exactly do you do? Oh, you just have to tap. So just tap here. And the cat will give you coins. So if you can tap faster, then you can get more coins. So yeah, the really nice thing about this app is that the games have a lot of variety. So you're not doing the same thing over and over. So you just do like one thing for 3 times. For example, this tapping thing. And then you can also do other things like the slots game. And I'm sure they have other ways of making money as well. So you're not going to get bored doing the same thing over and over with this app, because it gives you more variety, which is always nice, because doing the same thing too much is not that fun. So yeah, let me do this one more time. And once I finish, we can move on to the next game. Or I believe the next thing is a treasure box, treasure chest. Let me see. All right, so let's get our coins. And we got our 3 stars. So we're getting closer to that daily bonus. And let's close out of this ad right here. Okay, now we can open up this box. And what do we get? Oh, it looks like we got 500 coins. So there you go, easy 500 coins. Don't need to play any games here. Just open up that box. And let me close out of this ad again. Oops, didn't mean to click on that. Let's go back. Okay, so now we have another game. And we can play that. And looks like this one is giving us double rewards. So that's nice. This one is just like a spin the wheel. Whichever one you land on, you get. But for this one, since it's double rewards, we're going to multiply it by 2. So that 400 will become 800, I think. Or maybe it's already doubled. Let's see. So yeah, okay, it's already doubled. Normally it would be half of that. So this would be like 200, 400. But it's doubled right now. So there you go. We got that. And for the next spin, we got 100. Cool. And then we have to watch an ad after every spin, of course, because that's how they make money to pay us, by showing us ads, who then pay them, and then they can share that with us. So you just got to wait for this little blue bar down here to finish. And when it does, we can move on. I just want to get to the daily spin so I can show you guys how that works. So I will continue playing until I get to that point. So let's do our final spin. And we got, come on, 400. Okay, not bad. So we got 400. Let's close out of this ad right here. All right, so we're done with this game. And now we've unlocked the next one. Let's close out of this. Okay, now what's this? Oh, another double rewards one. Nice. So it's just slots again, but this time the rewards are doubled, of course. Okay, we didn't get a match right there, but we still got 300, so that's a good number. Like, honestly, for me, anything above, let's say, 100 would be good. So let's do another one. And now we did get a match. I think we got 2 matches actually going diagonally and across. But we got 400, so that's even better. We're almost getting the next reward because we're almost at 4,000. Right now I'm at 3,200, so I need about 800 more, and I can unlock the next reward. All right, so now we got this. Close out of that. And there you go, 3 more stars. We're at 16. We need 4 more stars to be able to use the daily spin. So now, oh, it's another one of the tapping thing, but once again, this is doubled. So let me just tap, tap, tap on this. And yeah, looks like we're getting a lot more than we got last time. So now we got 78. I guess the tapping one is the least profitable of the games that I've played so far, because, I mean, unless you can tap really fast, which is not my strong suit, you're not going to be getting as much as the other ones, which are like in the hundreds. But I mean, I'll take anything. As long as I'm not getting 0, then I am happy. Okay, now we got that. We're getting even closer to our 4,000 coin goal. And let me just do this one more time. All right. So now we got 62, I think. 82. And then close out of this ad right here. Okay, so now we should be up to 19 stars. And close out of that ad. Now we also get this golden box. And let's see how much is in that. Should be really good. Ooh, look at that. 1,000 coins. That's pretty insane. So that's our prize for getting to the very end of this little road here. And we also get the daily bonus. Look at that. So let's spin. Let's hope we get really lucky. Let's hope for $10 on Amazon. That would be super nice. We got 200 coins. Well, it's okay. I'll take anything. If you guys get lucky, let me know down below. Okay. And then let's finish this ad and let's see where the next game will take us. So let me close out of this. And oh, we also get to redeem. But yeah, that's complete. And now we also get this, just a free 200 for completing the game. And now see, day 2 is unlocked. So you can just keep on progressing through each day, like day in quotation marks, because it doesn't actually take a day to go through them. It's just a day in the game itself. And then you can keep on getting more daily spins, and you can also eventually unlock all of these rewards. So now we get our 10 cents. Let me claim that. And then when you claim it, it goes to your wallet. Yeah, sure, why not? And then I can go here, and there's my new code. Or sorry, this one is my new code, but it's in review. So it takes them some time to review it as you get to like the higher rewards, just to make sure that you're not like hacking or anything. But you'll get it, because I mean, I've been getting mine. So yeah, that's how this game works. It's pretty straightforward. Just keep on going through all these days, and then you can unlock all the rewards. And so if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.